we have to again and again ask this question to ourselves. Who is disturbed? Look within. Who is disturbed? Now be attentive. How much time, energy and efforts it takes for the husband to become a man? That much time, energy and efforts it takes to dissolve your problems. See? Yoga chitta vritti nirodha, chitta vritti nirodha. You are going the wrong way. See? Therefore, tada drashtuhu swarupe avasthanam. Let our essential nature surface. So what is essential nature? Is man. What is acquired nature? Is husband. Man is, he becomes husband. Becomes means banavati. So man is real, husband is only an illusion. Can illusions be sorted out? Illusions can be dissolved only by knowing that it is an illusion. That's it. So be attentive. When you look at something knowing that it is an illusion, what is our interaction? Number one, we do not want to improve the illusions. We cannot improve the illusions. We do not want to use that illusion. We cannot have any desire for the illusion. For example, the mirage waters, they are illusions, we know. So have we ever thought about, let me get funds from the International Monetary Fund to harvest the mirage waters so that the water problem can be solved? No, because it is an illusion. When you look at husband as an illusion and man as the real, you have learned the art of look within. Then what the husband should do? Husband should do a very simple thing. There was a husband and a wife. And he was busy writing or reading something, or maybe YouTube or Instagram, something busy. And the wife was talking to him. Look here, I have got such long hair. I think I should cut it now. Latest fashion. Cut. Husband watch. But you know, my mother says, you have got such long hair, don't cut. Don't cut. No, but this is the fashion of the day. We should cut the hair. Cut. But then, I will never grow such long hairs again. Don't cut. Cut, don't cut. Cut, don't cut. By default, it was going on. And finally, he said, anyway, I'll decide later. Now, what should I prepare for the dinner? Cut. Who is listening? See, friends, don't take life seriously. See, many of us get this wrong notion. Adhyatma, spiritual life, means as if we have swallowed a handful of caterpillars. What happened? Spirituality. No!